partner. It's little bit hard. Choose it from your heart and also use the mind. To find a nice partner, it's a little bit too tough, guys. So with these beautiful lines, a very warm and pleasant evening to one and all present here, respected sir and all my friends. So today my topic is based upon saving your life, don't marry your life. Okay, see guys, it sound little bit shocking, or little bit interesting, or little bit serious, or little bit laughing. Anything you can just imagine it. Okay, so in this topic, I'll talk about what are the benefits before marriage, what are the disadvantages after marriage. Because somehow people say that after marriage life becomes too stressful. After marriage, life becomes so stressful, so expenses are there of wife, and somehow few ever chances are there of winning argument. Man is there, I do hard work, I earn money at home, and wife is there. Oh, I am free. I prepare food at home, I chop the vegetables, I prepare for you all, I see your mother, father, I left my house. Like this. It happens. Okay, but what happened at last? You lost. Boys can only relate this, girls cannot, because they always win. Because of their excuses. Excuse master. Sorry, mistress. Now see, jokes apart guys, now I'll tell you what I'll tell you in this topic. First of all, what are the advantages of marriage, disadvantages of the marriage, and do we have really freedom before the marriage, or we have freedom after the marriage? I'll ask the perspectives also and at last conclusion. Beginning with introduction, do you really think that for saving your life, you should not marry a wife? See guys, means that how many of you have heard about the cases in which wife have just killed his husband? Blue drum case and many other cases are there, na? How many of you heard? Many of them? Okay, yes, okay. Thank you guys. Okay, so many people have heard this cases of that in which wife has just killed his husband for property, for money and etc. things. Okay, see guys, for saving it, do you really think we should marry a wife? Yes or no? No. Do we really marry? No. There is no word I have listened from many girls' mouth that I don't want to marry, I'll be independent. I don't want to marry, I'll be independent. Like India, 80 years of democracy. On 15 August it will be now. So see guys, jokes apart. Now just stepping to next part of my presentation, which is that do we really have freedom before marriage or after marriage? Before I tell, I want your perspective guys. When we have the freedom, before life or after life? After marriage basically. After marriage we have freedom. Before marriage we have.
Before marriage.
Why not after marriage? We have that right to win arguments. As I showed in the starting.
The wife will.
What wife?
She will beat.
Is she that much right that she can beat a man?
No.
Yes, she has. Girls are doing blue drum case, cutting their husband, killing their husband for property, money and all. Yes sir?
Right?
Okay. Huh? Just wait. Okay, yes. I'll wait. Okay. See, it is happening. As I talked about the right, they have the rights. That nowadays, they are just killing their husbands for money. They are just killing their husbands for the property. Is it right? Is it wrong or is it right? Wrong. So who will tell to them? Blue drum case and etc. And like one case in Delhi also for the property and for not doing marriage. It happened. Now guys, according to me, we have freedom in both of the marriages. After marriage also and before marriage also. I'll tell you how. Before marriage, our money is the most powerful weapon. We think that I'll be earning a lot of money before my marriage, and after marriage I'll put retirement and I'll just chill at home. I have children, I have a time with my family. But what happened at the last time? After marriage. When the marriage is done, after 1 year, after 2 years, when the life is just settled now, okay, you both know each other very nicely, arguments are also there, but that's another thing you lost in every argument. I am talking about boys, not girls, okay, because girls always win, because they have a lot of excuses. Now see, before marriage, we have a lot of freedom because we can do any kind of of thing. We can earn money, we can go anywhere. Okay, but after marriage, what the main thing is that wherever we have to go go with our family, means with our wife and with our children. Is it really true that we should go with them, or we should have our personal life also something? Personal life. Why they are some guy with not them? What?
Go with them also.
With them also?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now I'll tell you, do we really do this? See guys, if you're talking about nowadays generation, because see what happened nowadays, that girls are very much that we can notice their gestures. Okay, they'll say something else and they'll do something else, as we have seen in many cases also. Now see guys, I want your perspective that what you will do in these types of situations. Okay, and according to you, where we have freedom? Where we have freedom? With our kids at home, with our wife at home, or single? Huh?
Single.
Single. Okay. I want just to know that how many girls are saying that life will be single if it be single, so it will be more nice. All are independent like India. Okay. So now at last conclusion. So my conclusion of this topic is just we should not think about it that saving your life or marry a wife. See guys, because in nowadays generation it is very hard to find a good partner. Okay, just find a partner which suits on you, because it takes a lot of time. Just arranged marriage cannot help you in a long situation. Okay, now this was all about my topic, saving your life or marry a life. Don't take it seriously. It was just a funny topic, and I want to entertain you. Thank you for listening to me.
Do you really think that we should not do marriage?
I don't think so that we should not do marriage, because what happened, many people have their own perspectives. Okay, that some want to do marriage, some don't want to do marriage. Okay, it depends on you what you want. Yes, Archit.
According to you, which is better, man or man?
According to me, man, because they have a lot of stress of losing the arguments also with wife, and losing that and having the taunts also of that boss at office. Yes, Nirvay.
What do you like, personal life or work life?
I think that both life are good, nice, super.
Some people think that marriage formality, so they are typically smart.
What formalities?
Marriage is for
Marriage is a formality. If you think that, so we should not do marriage. If you don't, we should.
Feedback.